The next time you feel anxious, the next time you feel stressed, the next time you lose patience, the next time you feel pressed, take a breath. It's okay to feel out of place, and it's okay to feel upset. This life was never made to be easy, it was made to be a test. It was never meant to be your home, and you only ever came as a guest. And although you feel alone, know that Allah sees you in every step. He sees your every struggle and knows every trouble bottled inside your chest. So keep your head up, for there's not long left until you finally find peace and your heart finds rest. In gardens on thrones, as you sit back and reflect on all those moments you thought would break you, yet they were nothing more than doors to success. So the next time life hits you, don't you ever forget, you were never made for this world. You were made for the next.